Welcome back. Vince here. And I finally managed to make my way to the water tower here at Memorial Park. Oh, that looks dangerous. I'm not going up in there. I'm not sure if this was part of excuse me, lost my train of thought. I'm not sure if this is part of Camp Logan or was this built after Camp Logan. But actually, it's a pretty good structure. And a good foundation, excuse me. But the metal is starting to rot away. And just over the other side is the Bayou. So I hope Permanent Park. Jesus. I sure hope Memorial Park conserves this structure some kind of way. If they have to take it apart brick by brick. This is pretty cool. You can have this side building. It's just about gone. I'm pretty sure this building being dilapidated like this, years of neglect and floods along the bayou. But anyway, I'm not going to stay back here too long. The mosquitoes back here are no joke. And as you can see, it was one hell of a trip to get back here. But I do it for you guys. And like I said, you wouldn't think you were in the inner city. It's like you see this, all these woods, and then you look a little bit over the horizon, you see tall buildings. Then I'm gonna take a couple of pictures, and then I'm gonna get going. See y'all. Not just yet. Okay, now I'll see y'all. I just finished visiting the old water tower. That used to be a part of Camp Logan, I think. And you can actually see it from right here, dead center. So, but anyway. The sun's getting ready to set. And the mosquitoes are out. So I just thought I'd share this with you. Forgive us here in Houston. Our waters are not as blue and beautiful as some of you guys living in other places. But these are bayous, so anyway, take care.